guys, so today I'm doing my first ever pre-poo and I'm going to use some things that I just love using on my hair. So I'm going to start with aloe vera, and I'm using this because it's a great conditioner, it smooths and adds shine, it improves growth, and it's also good for your scalp. Next I'm going to use coconut oil. This is one of my favourite oils because my hair just loves it. It's one of the most penetrating oils, which means it easily penetrates the hair strands rather than just sitting on top. It adds shine and softness, reduces frizz, and it prevents breakage and split ends. Next I'm going to use some argan oil, and this is another oil that I love using on my hair because it's quite a light oil but it's got so many benefits. It's high in fatty acids and antioxidants including vitamin E, and that helps to nourish and protect your hair from damage. It increases elasticity and softness and also provides great slip for detangling. Lastly, I'm going to use Jamaican black castor oil. This is quite a new oil to me. I've been using it a bit on my scalp, but I haven't actually been using it for that long. But everyone knows it's supposed to help with hair growth and thickness, and it's supposed to be a magic oil for natural hair. So I'm going to use this in my pre-poo as well. Then I'm just going to stir it up until it becomes a nice creamy consistency. I'm going to start off with 7-day-old hair, and by that I mean I haven't washed it for 7 days. I always wash my hair about once a week, so that's normal. So yeah, it's at its kind of driest state at the moment. You pre-poo basically to add moisture before you shampoo, so that your hair doesn't dry out too much during the shampooing process. So that's basically the point of pre-pooing. So yeah, I'm just sectioning off my hair kind of roughly, starting at the bottom and then just generously adding all of the pre-poo mixture to my hair. Now that the pre-poo is all applied, I'm going to put on my plastic shower cap and my heat cap, which has been in the microwave for 2 minutes, and that's going to stay warm for about 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, and after shampooing and conditioning my hair in the shower, my hair feels super soft, and you can see it's quite defined considering it's got no products in it at the moment. You can't obviously feel it, but it does feel much softer than usual. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results of this pre-poo. I'll probably be doing it more often. Maybe not every single time I shampoo, but maybe every other time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks a lot for watching.